Hi friends, welcome back to Maldivian Food YouTube channel. Today I am going to share Lacha pyaz recipe. For this recipe I am using 2 onion, slice it round and keep it in cold water like this. Now remove it, and I actually kept it in cold water for 10 minutes. Now time to prepare it. So add salt to taste and red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon, and also 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and the secret ingredient chaat masala 1 teaspoon and curry leaf. You can use coriander leaf instead of curry leaves, and add green chili if you want. I didn't, so mix it well and dish out it. Easy and simple recipe. It's ready now. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Bye bye.